Good morning, my dear children. Sai Ram. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So children, today in this video, we will going to start a new chapter from your active English book. Okay. So in this video, we will going to cover two chapters. Now we will begin with chapter 14. Chapter 14. So this chapter is about these two words, just and almost. Okay, this chapter is all about these two words, just and almost, that how you have to use these two words in sentences. Okay, so children, you all know that what is conversation, right? We always talk with our friends, with our family members, with our neighbors and all, right? So you all know that conversation needs two people or more than two people, but two people is must, or more than two people, right? In which what you do, you ask some question, other person reply, other person ask some question, you reply. In this way, two-way communication, in this way two-way conversation is done, right? In which you know that how you have to reply or how you reply to the question. So this chapter 14 is all about the conversation. In conversation, how you have to use these two words, just and almost. While replying, how you have to use these two words, just and almost, we will going to see that. Okay, so here let's begin with these examples. Okay, so first is, has Anu crossed the street? Has Anu crossed the street? No, she has just begun to cross. She has just begun to cross. Now he asked question that has Anu crossed the street? Then she replied no. Then other person replied no, she has just begun to cross. Right? Conversation is going on. One is asking question and another one is replying. And see here what we have used, just. No, she has just begun to cross. Has Mohan crossed the street? No, he is crossing now. No, he is crossing now. Has Maya crossed the street? No, but she has almost crossed. No, but she has almost crossed. Has Prem crossed the street? Yes, he has just crossed. Yes, he has just crossed. So this is how you have to use these two words, just and almost, in this sentences. Now here, give replies like the ones below. Let's see the example first. Would you like a drink? So in bracket you can see had one is there. So what you have to do while changing the sentence, what you have to do, first you should know that where you have to put where just and where you have to add just and where you have to add almost. And other than that, you have to use these words also, had one, which is given in the bracket. Okay, so would you like a drink? In bracket what is given? Had one. No, thank you, I have just had one. Would you like a drink? No, thank you, I have just had one. Right? Then second, would you like this book? Bracket what is given in bracket? Read it. Would you like this book? No, thank you, I have just read it. No, thank you, I have just read it. Okay. Now here, now see first one. Would you like a sweet? In bracket what is given? Had one. No, thank you, I have just had one. No, thank you, I have just had one. Second, would you like the newspaper? In bracket what is given? Read it. Would you like the newspaper? No, thank you, I have just read it. No, thank you, I have just read it. Okay, next. Would you like some more curry? Would you like some more curry? What is given in bracket? Had some. No, thank you, I have just had some. No, thank you, I have just had some. Then D1, would you like a swim? In bracket what is given? Had one. Would you like a swim? No, thank you, I have just had one. No, thank you, I have just had one. Now, next, E1, would you like some new shoes? Would you like some new shoes? Bracket, what is given in bracket? Bought some. No, thank you, I have just bought some. No, thank you, I have just bought some. Now next, would you like an ice cream? Would you like an ice cream? What is given in bracket? Had one. What will be the reply? No, thank you, I have just had one. No, thank you, I have just had one. Now, the second question is, see, in the first question, in all sentences, we used just. We used just in all sentences, right? Now, in second one, what we have to use? Almost. Okay, now, give replies like the ones in the example here. Have you read the book yet? Have you read the book yet? No, but I have almost read it. No, but I have almost read it. Have you finished your homework yet? No, but I have almost finished it. Almost means it is near to be, about to be, end, or just to be completed. Okay. So have you finished your homework yet? No, but I have almost finished it. Okay. I have almost finished it. Now next, let's see the question. Have you read the newspaper yet? Have you read the newspaper yet? What will be the reply? No, but I have almost read it. No, but I have almost read it. Second, have you written the letter yet? Have you written the letter yet? No, but I have almost written it. No, but I have almost written it. Next, C. Have you done the work yet? Have you done the work yet? What will be the reply? No, but I have almost finished it. No, but I have almost finished it. Then D1. Have you cleaned the blackboard yet? Have you cleaned the blackboard yet? What will be the reply? No, but I have almost cleaned it. No, but I have almost cleaned it. Almost means the work is near about to be complete. Okay, to be complete. Now E. Have you finished the exercise yet? Have you finished the exercise yet? No, but I have almost finished it. No, but I have almost finished it. F. Have you drawn the picture yet? Have you drawn the picture yet? No, but I have almost drawn it. No, but I have almost drawn it. Okay, I have almost drawn it. Now, so this chapter is all about just and almost. Using just and almost, how you have to reply. How you have to reply using just and almost. Okay, now let's begin with chapter 15. Chapter 15 is present participles. Present participles. What it is? Present participle. Now let's see what is present participle. The present participle, also known as the ing form. Ing form. It is a form of verb. Now children, in our previous video we have already discussed about verb. I hope you all remember. I hope you all know. What is verb? Verb is a action word which shows some action, right, state of being or an occurrence of the subject. That is verb. Verb equal to action, right? So it is a form of verb that can be used as an adjective. Adjective which shows some quality of noun and or pronoun, right? So as part of a participle phrase or to show continuous action or perception. Present participle, first it uses ing form. Ing form. Then it is a form of verb that can be used as an adjective as a part of a participle phrase or to show continuous action or perception. Action or perception. Okay. So children, now the present participle means, here as I have told you that verb equal to action, that means it shows that the subject is doing what, right? What action is done by the subject. And then we add ing form. Ing form we add where? In the base form. In the base form, like here walk. Walk. Plus if I will add, wait, I'll write again. Here Here walk. What happen if I will add ing here? What will become? Walking, right? Walking. So with base form of verb, what is added? Ing is added. Ing is added. Okay. Now here, see, I can see Mohan. He is sleeping. I can see Mohan. He is sleeping. I can see Mohan sleeping. I can see Mohan sleeping. Okay. Now here continuous action. That means I can see Mohan sleeping. Continuous action and perception is going on, right? Perception means what subject can see, heard, or see, heard. This is perception. Okay, this is perception. So I can see Mohan, he is sleeping. I can see Mohan sleeping. What Mohan is doing? He is sleeping. He is sleeping. So the base form of verb, that is sleep. Sleep plus ing, what it became? Sleeping. So it is present participle. Okay, it is present participle and action is continuous. I can hear a bell, it is ringing. I can hear a bell ringing. I can hear a bell ringing. So simple is, seeing ing form, you can understand that it is a present participle. Okay, Miss Shaha can smell the rice, it is burning. Miss Shaha can smell the rice burning. Smell the rice burning. Now let's do the exercise here. Here, A, make sentences like the one below. We watched the boys. They were throwing stones into the sea. We watched the boys. They were throwing stones into the sea. We watched the boys throwing stones into the sea. We watched the boys throwing stones into the sea. Throwing stones into the sea. Action is continuous. Then we heard Miss Shah. She was singing. We heard Miss Shah. She was singing. We heard Miss Shah singing. We heard Miss Shah singing. B, we saw Mr. Rao. He was taking a photograph. We saw Mr. Rao. He was taking a photograph. So we saw Mr. Rao taking a photograph. Taking a photograph. Then C, I saw some men. They were digging a hole. I saw some men. They were digging a hole. I saw some men digging a hole. I saw some men digging a hole. You can see that all verb, right? All base form of verb is added with ing. It is added with ing. So I saw some men digging a hole. D, the policeman watched the children. They were crossing the road. The policeman watched the children crossing the road. The policeman watched the children crossing the road. E, I heard someone. He was singing in the next room. That means action is going on present. As I have told you children, that verb shows action. That what action is done by the subject, and tense is equal to time. Tense shows what? That work has been done in which time. If it has been done in present, past or future. Present, past or future. Okay. So the policeman watched the children crossing the road. E, I heard someone. He was singing in the next room. Here you can see we are using perception. Seeing, hearing, all these are what? Perception. What subject can hear, what subject can listen, see, right? So I heard someone. He was singing in the next room. I heard someone singing in the next room. I heard someone singing in the next room. Next, I could smell something. It was burning. I could smell something. It was burning. I could smell something was burning. I could smell something was burning. Something was burning. Now, I could feel my heart. It was beating. I could feel my heart. It was beating. I could feel my heart beating. I could feel my heart beating. Now, next is, we heard a kitten. It was crying on the roof. We heard a kitten. It was crying on the roof. We heard a kitten crying on the roof. We heard a kitten crying on the roof. She could hear the children. They were laughing in the next room. She could hear the children laughing in the next room. She could hear the children laughing in the next room. The police found a man. He was hiding in a cupboard. The police found a man hiding in a cupboard. The police found a man hiding in a cupboard. Hiding in a cupboard. Now we saw smoke. It was coming out of a window. We saw smoke coming out of a window. Coming out of a window. Now next, picture is given. In picture, word is given. Using this word, you have to make sentence. First is swimming. And in each, what you have to use? You have to begin your sentence with I can see. Okay, you have to begin your sentence with I can see, and you have to use these words which is given in the picture. So first one is swimming. Swimming. I can see Raj swimming in the pool. I can see Raj swimming in the pool. Now second is climbing. I can see Rohan climbing up the sky. I can stairs. I can see Rohan climbing up the stairs. Climbing up the stairs. Now cooking. Cooking. I can see Mr. Rao cooking curry. I can see Mr. Rao cooking curry. Then drawing. I can see children drawing some pictures. I can see children drawing some pictures. I can see children drawing some pictures. And then fifth is carrying. Carrying. I can see Prem carrying a gift. I can see Prem carrying a gift. Prem carrying a gift. Okay. So this exercise are done, children. Okay. I'll be sharing a PDF. Okay. So I hope it is clear to you all. Sai Ram.